Kaya has things to like it and freaking sense.
This. My crackers.
My crackers.
My nice, clean, fat little crackers. KFC.
What else? Everything there is so.
Everything there is so. Okay. You good? Behind me?
You want me to stand up in front of you?
No, but just I said if you're good, I don't know if the chair the back too much. I don't know if they're going to push back the bed or
Start the camera. That's
it starts. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my best friend.
Say that out loud.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys remember from the previous video when I said I don't buy anybody clothes but my best friend. I was talking about her. Yeah, I'm not buy nobody else clothes because she alone sent me out. Today we're gonna be having a KFC mukbang. Yeah, with cream crackers because I so eat KFC. We eat KFC.
We have a cream
no,
crackers.
I have crackers.
We have a cream
it's weird,
crackers.
Understand me?
It's whatever. It's our thing. That's
no,
our signature. Whatever.
I'm not there for full opinion. My cream crackers and my KFC taste good. Yeah.
Period.
So today she's gonna be asking me some questions. Every time I make one video, I say one word and put in one extra letter. Today she's gonna be asking me some questions while she bleaches my hair a little more. My hair was lighter than this, but you know, after a while your hair starts to get dark. So I'm gonna lighten the ends of my hair, and I already went to the barber. I mean, as you can see. Yeah. So before we start, I just want to let you guys know that you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so we're about to get in. Sugar to my ear. Me I go eat. Me don't know if no food.
No, me I go start eat before. Me no eat. You can't work my hungry stomach. You know what
I don't know. No, I
you can't work my hungry stomach.
Know
me have to eat before.
I don't know if there's gonna be any food left for her, but yeah.
You know we should have asked them the questions where they would never ask you.
Me never want to ask me no question because me know how understand. Understand real bad. I know the question them when me.
What kind of question you want me to ask them? Because I have some worry about questions. When I even view the questions.
No, I haven't seen the question. I asked her if she wanted me to help her come up with some questions.
No sense, no.
But no, she never want me. No. So I don't know what the questions are gonna be. So I'm just gonna answer as honestly as possible. And yeah, anything I don't want to answer, I'm not gonna know. Trust me. I cut the zinger in half.
More the bigger arm. More the bigger arm.
I cut the zinger in half.
More the bigger arm.
No, more one piece. I can't wait for you guys to see how I set up my phone because I went to my other best friend's house to pick up my tripod and we were there talking and I got distracted and I left the tripod same place. So
him tape up the phone by the way. Nothing wrong.
No, I ran out of ideas and it comes to me quick. Watch out. I'm not have to ask what going around this so I don't have to ask.
But I will never tape cover the speaker.
It don't cover Yo, blink twice if you can't hear me.
Alright, so question number 1. What are your Yeah? What are your long-term goals? Short-term and long-term goals.
Okay. Actually, both my long-term and my short-term goals are the same.
Get rich.
I want to marry my pension plan by tomorrow. I'm not ask. Nina asks. No, I want to marry my pension plan by tomorrow. Yeah. I'm tired of the lifestyle here.
No, we broke bad.
This don't fit me. We cut zinger in half. That
Oh,
must
God.
speak volume.
No, I chew your blood.
No, for real. I'm a sister this. I'm not asked. That's the only way I cut this in half. My actual long-term goal is to have several successful businesses. I have a very entrepreneurial mind, so
That's true.
yeah, I own or I operate several businesses of my own, and I work freelance as a social media manager. So long term, I want to be able to have a couple businesses of my
No, I'm
own.
proud of you.
Yeah, I'm proud of
I'm
me
proud
too.
of you. Yeah.
My mother never raised no buffon.
You're not idiot. You're not idiot. What is your proudest accomplishment? And I see this? You might be thinking about it?
This hard for answer because I'm not like me, proud of myself.
Yeah, but you take care of yourself.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, like things like that. You take care of yourself.
my proudest accomplishment is being 100% independent at the age of 22 years old. I mean, I've been independent for a couple of years now, but you know, I take care of myself. I ensure that I send myself to school now, and I'm just proud that I can be able to do this on my own, because there's not a lot of people out there that have the confidence or the resources to do this by themselves. So I'm really proud of that.
I'm proud of you.
Me proud of myself. I'm not asked. Right now, I feel like to the phone now video.
True.
And
That
there's
no.
nowhere we're not gonna know.
No, I think we need to stop and peep.
It's don't cute, man. Not ask. Yeah, he's a proper engineer. Look how me chop the phone man now. Yeah, this me I got spoofer. Girl, it been videoing.
Okay. So we're good.
Wow.
Alright, now. Personal questions.
Okay.
What is your relationship status? The people that want to hear. The people that want to hear.
Your Honor, I object. But not ask.
Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that? You know what that says?
No, that don't say a thing. Let me tell you something. But don't single and I don't plural. Wait, hold on. I wonder. No, I wonder.
Oh, the light bright.
No,
Oh, the light bright?
no, you want me to check?
Yeah, you should. Because that I go look Riante. That shit I go look.
Yeah, we're back in business now.
Yeah. What did you want to be when you were younger?
When I was younger, up until like the 9th grade, I wanted to be a family lawyer. But then, after I started get a bag of 16 or 15 in literature, and I find out that law was a well for reading, I said, no, this not work out, because me dunce.
Bad.
We are drunk, bro.
Think of a person you truly admire. What qualities do you like about that person? Just say me.
I don't want to say you, girl. You can't even cross the road.
That is true. That is actually true.
Guys,
We get really anxious when
No.
we cross the road. Like
whenever
we
I
just
cross the
can't-
road with her, I have to hold her hand.
Yeah, not everybody. I know you one.
I have to hold her
Don't
hand.
even do
I
it.
don't trust her.
Don't even do it.
I like Tim Cook.
Who name so? Nobody don't know Tim Cook.
Of course, the man who own Apple, him rich bad.
That's it?
Yeah, him rich bad. People always say, if you put money aside and look for happiness, me just want the money where everybody put aside. Oh God, no.
Okay. Other than being a whore, what practical I'm me make up that one.
No, this dose you.
No, alright, yeah.
That video your
No,
dose
you
you.
don't know, but true. You know, me see. What practical skills do you wish you had? I don't mean give bud.
Let me make this. No, me can't even say that. Practical skill. I actually wish I could. I wish I could do photography.
Yeah, that's artistic.
Yeah,
That's nice.
I've always had an interest in photography, and yeah, I wish I was a photographer actually.
What is your biggest fear?
Biggest fear is that I never gonna find my pension plan. I'm not ask. No, that's my biggest fear. Cause everybody out there go chilling with them
Jordan,
sugar daddy and
there's
them.
no restaurant where you never go yet.
Yeah, but that.
So don't even.
Yeah, but I don't want
Don't
to have to
even.
swipe my card. I want to go swipe somebody else's card. That is a goal of mine.
That's what I talk about.
Yeah.
This is the reason why him can't set in relationship status. Alright? You want too much out of life.
No.
What do you wish you did more of?
No found out there they expect me to say sex. I mean not lie.
True.
I wish it was that too, but I wish
You save more.
I saved more. Yeah. I spend a lot on food.
Me eat the scent of that. I don't like it.
Not good then. Oh god, matter of fact, let me put this up so I can eat this later. Girl.
I better put back your fork in my food. I don't like the scent of
So you're not gonna eat none of this?
No, put the fork in there. You're not easy.
I'm my money buy it, you know. I'm my budget for the video. The girl show up on me here because she's hungry.
And I'm here this song. And I'm here this
No,
song.
go on. Go on. Ask your question now.
Have you ever broken anyone's heart?
Yes, I have.
If so, was it
No.
was it purposely done?
First of all, how much marks this work?
5.
I will eat that girl. That's a 3 sentence. Right now you take a strike and you come and give me schoolwork. It wasn't intentionally. I feel like I grew.
Maybe if I say about something, you know.
I feel like I grew apart from the relationship when I was in high school, and yeah, that's it. I haven't broken anybody's heart since.
You see, so when you're young, you
Yeah.
get problem. Alright.
All you get that from that.
What are the things that stand between you and complete happiness?
This dark bad.
Yourself. You and yourself. Because
No,
I believe
I will invite them.
I believe that if someone truly wants to be happy, true happiness and complete happiness comes from within. I don't know, I think so.
Because you guys school go study
No,
sociology.
I've always been happy. I don't know.
No.
Me not stress bad. Me not really stressed.
Professional guidance counselor.
Yeah, you know it.
Yeah, book her.
No, it's true.
Yeah.
It's true. I'm a good listener.
Link below. I feel like I stand between my true happiness. Because I get a lot of joy from seeing other people happy and making other people happy, and I don't know how to translate in doing that for myself a lot of times.
Most persons that like people always make people happy are always the ones that are sad. Sadly.
Deep bad.
Yep. What is one thing that you do not tolerate in a relationship?
Hey, the chicken
You
pepper
can't say
bun.
bun because you're out here living.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This door safe. This door safe. This door safe.
Thought the people them want to hear.
I don't tolerate.
One over, my foot tired.
I don't tolerate not being ambitious. I've only ever dated persons with ambition, and probably in previous relationships, that's what drove some people to cheat, or probably that's why it drives certain people to cheat.
There's no excuse in cheating.
Yeah, no, me not make no excuse. Me never deserve bun. I don't deserve bun now. Me, I want a nice husband.
Stop.
Me wash, cook, and clean.
Stop it. Alright. Have you ever ghosted on anyone?
All the time. Matter
No,
of fact,
that is true. Like
matter
we're
of
just
fact,
talking about
no,
that. Like
matter of fact. Anybody who watches a video, you know? No. Anybody
No,
who watches
God,
a
no.
video can attest to me ghosting them at least once.
not me.
No, not you. Like,
Lies. I can
no,
attest.
No, yeah, no. You see,
You
the
are a
thing is,
drunk.
no, you see, the thing is, we have a conversation, even if I talk for like 30 seconds, conversation, exciting, bad.
Body, yeah.
No, so for the 30 seconds that we talk, I feel like I talk for the whole day. But sometimes when I get in my mood, I just ghost everybody. It's a toxic trait of mine, but
Work on it. My phone's stuck. Me need a new phone for my Christmas.
no, from she come here, she not stop bringing up Christmas.
No, because
She just
Christmas
sing
is
for me.
coming. Christmas is coming.
On November 2nd, you can relax.
No, we can't listen to some Christmas carol
But
now.
don't do that, you. Where that I go?
I stop celebrate Christmas long time. Who is your most irritating friend? Call me. Most irritating friend.
Vaughn. Me not ask Christ.
I think you're gonna say then.
No.
But cause mother tell him, mother call him and tell him.
No.
I would have call him and tell him.
Me not ask Jesus nor him 12 disciples. Vaughn? No. Vaughn push me to some Vaughn test my patience every time me see Vaughn.
Man, I don't want to
Vaughn
well,
one look like me.
look like you.
Yeah.
But no, see, you know, I could have tell.
No.
But I bet you have the same thing to say
No.
about you.
No, yeah.
Me not ask.
No, him would have said me
Me not
annoying.
ask.
Him would have said me annoying.
Me not asking.
No, but me love Vaughn. Vaughn is genuinely my very, very good friend.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, but I want to get.
It's a time.
I want to get one soon. I've been asking her to follow me to go get a tattoo.
Because you're
And she
such a wussy.
No,
You're such a wussy.
She keep put me off. She keep putting me
Jordan,
off.
since the last time in 2017, we make plans and that never work out. Let's not even talk about how me reach a tattoo shop.
You see, every time I think about getting a tattoo, I go up on YouTube. I'm gonna look up tattoo videos.
You don't know where you
I'm
want.
see people are ball and them.
You don't need to do that. All you need to do is go to the tattoo
no, but
shop.
me no want, but me not them. No. I can take pain, but not that kind of pain. Man.
Girl, what? Let me stop. What? Let me read this again so know that I'm not bugging, okay?
I forget something meaningful too because me see what the people with all dog pan them.
No, I know what I would get for my first at least 3 tattoos.
Please
And
not tell
I
me a
know.
bag of quotes.
No,
Like,
it's not
tired
no, it's
with
not no
quotes.
bag of code. I don't want no word for my body but my name. No word.
So you're an idiot?
Well,
Well, you don't need where your name on your body for you can't spell?
no, but you know like
That's ridiculous.
that yo.
Me find it ridiculous when
This
me-
video is
shut-
over, done.
Yeah,
like,
you're
it
right.
finished.
No,
Like, me
let
can't
me make
do
you
this.
something and make it under your ear because
Yeah, guys,
because it's not make no sense.
we're gonna mix up the
The bleaching something.
The bleaching something, and we're going to bleach the ends of my hair.
This
now.
look like basic white.
Yeah, it's actually basic white.
Hold on. I don't know what I do.
Do it to
I've never done this before.
No,
But-
I've bleached my hair at least 10 times, but
No, I think your ear won't bleach again.
you want bleach again, yeah, but I'm afraid it will drop off now. Like the 11th time is the charm, and
Not sure the whole night tonight. God no. Guys, this is the
volume 40. The
a
first-
peroxide. So now if me ask you, you said no, you not buy them the cheap something there. It said
No,
hydrogen
it said
peroxide.
it's-
I'm gonna ask Jordan earlier. Jordan, I said, so peroxide that no,
No.
me not buy them the cheap things there.
No, guys, I went and I
Bruh.
asked for volume 40.
Well, maybe I two different something, but
You
me
see
know
how
me
they throw the
can.
wallet in there?
I know the one I for sure.
I don't know, I think you're supposed to
Me
like...
don't know, me never do this
You
before.
can't make it too watery.
Enough for watery.
No, it fits.
Shit, it while.
No, in a spoil. Mix it out.
Me know me an idiot and Jordan say, you're full bad.
In the meantime, I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You know, I got more content incoming. Depending on how this video goes with her, me see if I want. Cause, listen, she only come on my yard when she hungry. About 2 years now, I'm gonna say she married. Oh, when you married? February?
Don't ask me no question.
February she married.
How then, where you do cut it?
What?
You cut your locks? How them you want so short?
No, girl.
You want them come from the front?
Them drop off.
Oh,
Yeah, them come from the front, but them drop off too.
how comes?
Because I'm gonna bleach my hair now. Tomorrow I have a graduation dinner for my best friend. That's not why I'm doing my hair though. I'm not to feel
You have
special.
one of my best friend?
No, I'm talking about dinner.
I know.
First of all, I only keep best friends. It's either best friends or you're one of my few close friends or that's it. I'm gonna keep the bag of friend.
This not smell
something.
right.
You're not supposed to smell. You're not supposed to smell it.
Me can't stop my breath. Your breath smell it?
Breathe through your mouth. You don't do that often. No, what's up?
We supposed to. Me not talk no more.
No. Hey.
You catch you?
You catch my clothes. I'm not have no.
Jordan, we've seen your Instagram and Spice called you out on that.
First of all,
Spice.
I have up Spice. Cause she come to school and she used to send me those stay well. Can me make sure to me put on my wear shirt to look for she. She not even fought for me with my school fee. I don't have a skincare plan. I don't have a hair care plan. I just drink water and go sleep. I'm not even.
Mind your business.
I'm not mind my business. People business nice.
Hold on, let me think you're here now. What Jesus Christ?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shanice.
No, there's some turn over. Take out the sun before to bleach out the whole of the tile.
You're not gonna bleach out the
I
tail.
know.
You talk about that half of my head. No. She throw away the bleach on the half of my head. Though. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna give it 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it off, take off the foil paper, and wash out my hair, and then I'll show you guys the end product because we're gonna fight if this don't work. I'm not asked. I'm really happy with the results of my hair. Like,
No, literally. It
No.
kinda almost whitish. I don't know how to describe it.
It's
But
Indian platinum, girl.
okay.
You can't tell say you never go primary school.
Jeez, okay. It really nice. We're going to do a look of video, so I'm gonna say the color, the pretty, because I don't think you guys are really seeing it, but it look
I'm
good.
gonna hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to
Subscribe to my friend channel
Yeah.
because I meet people for free. Yeah.
Don't forget to like the video also and comment if you guys want to see us do another video together. Let me know if you guys want to see me do her makeup. I mean, we're going to do it regardless, but
yeah,
I want to see you guys. I want to see if you guys
we
will be
need to know
interested
if
in
we're
it.
not interested in it.
Yeah, and don't forget to share the video and help me get to 100 subscribers. Don't forget to follow my friend
Don't follow me.
at Queen Hugh and follow me on Instagram at Painfully Jordan and at Twitter. See you in the next video.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
No, I swear. In my